Today we're making another long forgotten classic, which is something I've been really into lately. It's called a rum cow, but we're doing a banana version, so we're doing the banana cow today. And this is one of my favorite things, and a lot of you guys don't really like it, but a milk and booze cocktail. So we're gonna do 3 ounces of whole milk, 1 dash of Angostura bitters, just like a little dribble drabble, about a dash, maybe 2 drops or something of vanilla extract, 1/4 of an ounce simple syrup. You could do a 1/2 ounce if you want it a little sweeter. 1/2 ounce of banana liqueur, 1.5 ounces of rum. I'm using the Merchant's Reserve from Denizen, which I think is gonna go brilliantly in this cocktail. Shake. Strain, nutmegger on top. Oh my God, it's like my new favorite thing. It's so good. It is like eggnog without the egg. Frothy, and it's got, you know, milkshake vibes. Really what the flavor is all about is the creaminess of the milk, the complexity of the rum, and then the added banana flavor. You get that simple syrup that just makes it just sweet enough, because I think with the banana liqueur it might not be sweet enough and it needs to be a little sweet. Definitely kind of a dessert style drink. There it is, the banana cow. Today's episode is sponsored by ourselves. If I've said it once, I've said it 100 times. One of the most important things about cocktails is their presentation. And your garnish game can really make or break that presentation. So Marius and I decided that we wanted to start making some dehydrated fruit to garnish cocktails. Not only are they beautiful to look at, they're pretty long lasting, and they're functional garnishes in that they have aroma that you can add to your cocktail without unbalancing the cocktail, but just adding a little je ne sais quoi to it. So obviously we're doing limes, we're doing lemons, we're doing oranges, we're doing blood oranges, and we're doing dragon fruit. All of our citrus are organic, they're sourced locally, and this is a really good way to help the channel. The garnishes are made in small batches, they're essentially made to order, and although we're starting with, you know, the usual suspects, the really simple lemon, lime, orange, blood orange, we hope to expand into some less common, harder to get fruits, and then on top of that, we'll have some seasonal offerings for you guys. So if you guys have any suggestions for things you'd like to see, definitely let us know. So head to the shop, and no coupon code needed, because they're amazingly priced and it helps the channel.